What's up everyone, RedTuxTK here with another video, and we're talking about backups on the Action Replay Power Saves once again. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into it. I've got a couple things I want to talk about, but this is the first thing I want to talk about. So you got, for an example, let's say you had 3 games. Let's pretend these 3 games here are yours, and you want to copy one town to both of these. Okay, so you want to have 3 of the same town for whatever reason. We're just doing an example here, and this could be for Pokemon, but for the example we'll use Animal Crossing. Okay, you want to copy the town of blah blah to here. Okay, so let me show you something that's kind of dangerous with that and kind of sucky about that. Okay, so this is my first game card that I've put in. You can see that I have backups already made. So I have actually in this list 2 different towns. Okay, so that's kind of cool. You can take one town and copy it to another game. Okay, so let's just confirm this, or let's deconfirm this. Okay, this is a different card, same backups. Alright, so that one would work. You actually could copy this town or whatever to the other card that I have in the device. Okay, now watch this. Those 2 are the same. This one is different. You can see in the list I have different backups for this, and these are ones I've made, useful ones that I have, and I'll talk about those here in a minute. But what I'm trying to get at is not all Animal Crossing New Leaf games are the same, and it's going to be like this with other games you have. So, I mean, if you had 3 Pokemon games, there's a good chance they're not all going to be the same version. The problem with this is it's very hard to tell, and there's probably a way of telling. But for me, I can't tell which ones of these are different without actually using the action replay and finding out if you can copy one town to another card. So that's kind of crazy. And this is going to be the same with other games you play, because updates are made to game cards all the time. You just can hardly see it because Nintendo does it in a very subtle way. But so I will just say that it's easy to know if you have the same version if let's say the game just came out and you bought 3 of them, and it's a very, very good chance that all 3 will be the same. Okay, so just saying, if you want to copy one save to another card, there is a chance that that might not be possible. For me, luckily I got lucky with 2 of them because these were purchased on the same day, the game came out. So we're gonna talk about something else here. So let's go ahead and head over to the action replay here, and I'm going to put in. This is more about backups I'm talking about here, but we're gonna put in this card. So that was explaining, how to copy towns and all that stuff. Now I want to talk about. Well, I want to talk about how tedious it is to put codes in on this thing. A lot of people talk about this on my channel. I've heard it everywhere, really. But this thing, especially with Animal Crossing, is really slow with uploading codes. And this is a very crummy problem, because when you upload a code, all you've got is 5 slots to use. So you're going to have to upload the codes you want, load up your game, move those items to like the bottom of your slot, and then come back here and upload more. The problem with going back to upload more codes is not just that you have to take your card out and put it in a little USB device, but it's slow. It's really, really slow. And I've heard Animal Crossing is like the worst one for that. I don't know why, probably because it uses so much data or whatever. But okay, so you could actually do this. You could go through all these slots and get a full set of furniture that you wanted. Like, say you wanted the whole gold set of items. You'd have to go through all this, and I mean, they're in here somewhere. That's another thing that's kind of crummy. They're not really organized in any way, shape, or, well, they kind of are. So here's all the gold stuff. But, I mean, I had to kind of scroll down and look for them. Each time you put the card in, you're going to have to remember where you went in the scroller to get your items. It's just crummy. But I have done that, and it took a while. But, you know, I was like doing something as I was uploading codes. But anyway, here's what I would recommend. If you're going to do this, if you're going to, like, actually get a whole set of items, go ahead and make a backup after you've done it, because this means, you know, once you get rid of that set or you use it, you can actually load backup up and get those back easy. Bear in mind, you're gonna have to like watch out for what it erases if you load the backup up again. I don't know why I have this tendency of saying up again, like backup up. I gotta stop that. But anyway, just explaining this. This is a good way of doing it. So get the whole ice set, make a backup. Get the whole gold set, make a backup of it. Space, whatever set you want, just be sure to make a backup of that save, because it really will save you some time. So, yeah, that's pretty much all I got for this video. If you found this useful, please click the like button below. Subscribe to me if you haven't already. Leave a comment. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching once again. I will see you in the next video. Take care.